everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Today, Damani graduated. Does she have her hat on? Yay! Today is her day. You got any last words, Damani?
It's mine too, guys. It's
okay, one at a time.
But listen.
One at a time, one at a time, one at a time.
You only graduate high school once. You get a birthday every year.
Also, we running late. But also today is Damon's birthday. Happy birthday, Damon.
Thank you. Put happy birthday in the comments below.
Yep. Put happy birthday in the comments below. Click a thumbs up for Damon's birthday. Subscribe for Damon's birthday. Put a thumbs up for Damani.
For Monty's special day.
I was finna say that, but we both can't talk at the same time. Also, click the thumbs up for Damani's graduation day. Yes, dang, really? Yeah, well, he was awfully close. But yeah, today is our special day of graduation and Damani's graduation and Damon's birthday, so we're gonna kind of turn up a little bit. Damani got a lot of events today. After you want to say some stuff, Damani?
I don't know what I'm supposed to be saying.
Hopefully I got it on you because I am not looking at the
Yeah, well, when you first put it back here, it looked like it was pointing at the door. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
but it's a wide shot, so it should you should have it.
I don't know.
These your last words. These your last words before you officially done with school. Let's see her last words. Go ahead.
I don't know.
Okay. She don't know what to say. I guess she's nervous. I don't know.
I'm nervous. I'm feeling everything, all the emotions right now.
Really? We're on the shuttle to go around to the building. We on the bus. You said what? Yes, I do. All right, we on our way.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. All right, come on, come in.
I thought that was gonna be everybody.
Let's go.
I don't.
There's a seating at the balcony both sides. You can go this way or this way. Seating in the balcony on both sides.
Come on, Damon. Damon. We made it. We in here. Look at Damon. Stop acting. What?
We're almost touching the roof, literally. Be careful. If you drop your thing, then
We at the very top.
if you drop that,
we are so late.
then